Alright, so I'm back with another install on Zorin OS. So if you go into the software center that is included in Zorin and you search for Packet Tracer, you'll notice that I don't have any applications found. So not all applications are going to be out there in the repositories that Zorin uses. So instead, to install Packet Tracer on your Zorin operating system, you do need to go out to netacad.com and you need to use your login credentials to log in. As you can see, I have done. And then from the resources tab or option there, you can go down and select Packet Tracer resources, and that's where I'm at right now. From there, I'm going to click on Packet Tracer download page, and I'm going to scroll down a little bit. There's a bunch of information up here about what version to use if you're doing some more advanced studying with Packet Tracer. For our purposes, we're not doing anything too crazy. We're not prepping for any CCNA exams or anything like that, so we can kind of disregard all of that version history information. Now we're on Zorin. Zorin is a Linux distribution, so we can go ahead and we can download the Linux desktop version for the most recent 7.3.1 of Packet Tracer. It will prompt us like so. Just go ahead and click Open With Install Linux Application, which is the default. Okay, it should take a moment or two to do that, and then in all likelihood you will see some sort of prompt like this that says it's an unknown package. Are you sure you want to run the installer anyways? Yes, you can. It's perfectly safe. So go ahead and click Run Anyways. And then it will tell us the software is ready, and usually it will by default open up a window such as this. You can see we've got Packet Tracer. It tells us what this particular package is, and just like we do with really any other application that we're downloading using the graphical user interface, we can go ahead and click the install button. We are prompted for our admin password. Going to go ahead and enter that, and then it's going to go and begin installing. Now it will take a few moments to do so, but it shouldn't take too long. We'll pause momentarily while that finishes up, and I'll come back and launch it. Alright, so at this point Packet Tracer has been installed. You can see that I now have the option to remove it if I so choose to. I don't want to remove it. So I want to go ahead and find it here on my system, so I'm just going to click the Zorin button there and type in the name, Packet Tracer. Here it is. Going to go ahead and select it to open it up, and you'll see that, well, this is kind of blown up here. But in any case, you are prompted for your login credentials, and once you put that in, I guess I'll go ahead and type it in. Hopefully I remembered my password okay. Not used to typing it in. There we go. So now Packet Tracer is up, it's open, it has launched. If I wanted to start up with an introductory exercise and use a .pka file, I would just go up here, click File, Open, navigate to the place on my system where that file is stored, and open it up.